Alright, so this is a video test. I'm not too sure what name this recorder is. I've had it for about 7 months now, or actually 8 months. And this is at 2.7K quality. Super laggy, but I could care less, honestly. Coloring isn't all that great. Zoom lens. I'll do that right now. It's extremely slow. Also, audio quality isn't all that great, but it does have a flashlight, which not the light for that one. And that's going to be it. Also, it does not have a lens close, or a lens cover, but that's going to be it.